Welcome back to Daily Driven Alpha. Right, just a quick update. We haven't posted for a long time. We've moved internationally, but I'm still getting some quality parts, and I thought I'd share these with you. So let's have a look at what Veloce Sport sent us out of the UK. Right, nicely boxed, and the reason I share this with you, not that we promote products on our channel, is just I was impressed by the quality that they offered, and they are a family business out of the UK that also offer quality parts as an alternative to classic Alfa, or if you're Alfaholics themselves. So I've got a GT headliner kit to replace in my daily driver. So for the project cars you watched, we sort of cannibalized some of the parts, and I also got some of the badges. And let's see what we've got here. Ended up with 2 of the clover leaf badges in there, and the small Dizino de Bertone badges that go on the front wings. Plus we also got a enamel grill badge to replace the one that we used. So let me unbox these, and the reason I'm just doing this quick short video for you is I just want you to see the quality of these products, and I was particularly impressed by how these were packaged. Okay, let's just have a quick look. If you have a look at the badges themselves, the thing that I noticed is they've been, well, for a start, the quality of them is excellent. Really, really nicely done. Really lovely. So, beautiful finish, really glossy, superbly made, and just packaged, you know, in a bespoke little pack that protects them, as you can see, so when they're transported. The same with these beautiful aluminium badges, and they're quite well wedged in there, but the quality of these is fantastic. Really, really nice. So hopefully it's focusing on that for you. So quite heavy actually. At first I thought these were going to be plastic and they weren't going to be of a quality that, you know, would be welcomed, but they are excellent. So looking forward to putting them on. And then the enamel badge itself, while it's still in the plastic, I think you can see, very, very nice quality. I had one of these on the daily driver for ages, and you know, it'll put up with all the road grit and stones and anything that comes its way. Obviously the originals came out of the factory with plastic on, but I decided to put the enamel on because I liked it. The headlining kit, yep, it's a snake bite material, and beautifully done, great quality, and it has the cutout piece that's in it. Anyway, look, I just wanted to share those quickly with you so that if you're looking for an alternate supplier, and their prices are a little cheaper, and you might find that they're cheaper to have shipped to Australia as well. Just check on that. That's my experience. So hope that's helped you out. Hope your projects are going well, and look forward to putting another post up, something interesting in the near future. Thanks for watching.